Question is asking, if vector A, vector B is given, what is A plus 2B dot 2A minus vector B is the question asked, right? A plus 3 times vector B, not 2 times vector B, 3 times vector B, okay? So what is A plus 3 times vector B? So this is nothing but A plus 3 vector B dot 2A minus vector B is equal to what is the question asked. So can you tell me, this implies to me that here 3 times vector B will be equal to 9I cap plus 6J cap minus of 3K cap. So what do I get now? Here this is 1 plus 9, here nothing is there as the number means it is 1, right? Coefficient is 1. 10I cap plus 7J cap minus of K cap dot 2A cap. This is nothing but 2A cap will be equal to 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 4K cap, right? 4K cap. So 2 minus 3 will be equal to minus I cap plus 0J cap plus 5K cap, right? 5K cap. What is the answer that we get? Minus 10 plus 0 minus 5. That is equal to what is the answer that we get? To minus 15, which corresponds to any one option. This will be the answer to the question.